welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka. Today's video is going to be an Amazon haul. I have a couple of things, different types of things to show you guys. Some nightwear, some dresses, something like this, and some accessories and skincare products for winter. So Amazon has this huge sale going on, their wardrobe refresh sale, where you can get 50 to 80% off on fashion, beauty, skincare and everything. So check it out, and all the links will be in the description box. So let's start with this top, you guys. It is so cute. It's a crop top, but you can wear it as a blouse, and it is such a cute satin in pink, and you can see that it has like balloon sleeves, and at the back it has elastic, and I got XL, but it would fit up to like 3XL or even 4XL. So you can get one size down because the elastic is actually pretty good. It's not one of those flimsy ones where it doesn't stretch much. So it's actually really cute. You can wear it over skirts, you can wear it on your strappy dresses in case you want to like add a little bit color or like cover your sleeves, and also you can wear it as a sari blouse. So it's just so versatile, and it has like a wide band here at the bottom, so it actually gives you a little more coverage than a crop top. So it's not like very short also, so even if you are a curvy girl or a plus size girl, then you can totally wear this, and you can wear it as off shoulder as well. Here also it has elastic. So I'm not wearing it as an off shoulder, but you can totally wear it as an off shoulder, and you can accessorize a little bit and like wear like a nice gold neck piece here, and yeah, it will look so pretty. And even with saris you can accessorize it with Indian wear like a jhumka or a choker, and it will be good to go. So this was our first dress. Now let's move on. So let's first finish clothing and then move on to some winter essentials. So this is the dress that I posted on Instagram. I was wearing this in one of the, I think, pictures, and it is so damn cute, and all of you guys really liked it. Firstly, I love the color. I think it sort of looked a little mauvish red in the pictures, but yeah, this is the color. This is the wine color, and it has like these frilly sleeves, and it has like a little bit princess cut, and like here a partition, and then a little bit of a flare, and at the bottom it has ruffles. Like it has 2 layers of ruffles, and it's a high-low pattern, so it's a little bit longer at the back and a little bit shorter on the front. So it's a very cute dress, and it's not too short. It's exactly the length I would wear. So I prefer dresses which are a little bit below the knees. So this is exactly of that length. So I quite like it. You can wear it as a dress. You can even wear it with leggings if you would like. The stitch and the fabric is really nice. The fabric is super soft, and like here you can see the finishing and everything. It's nice. I used to have like such this fabric. I used to wear a lot of this fabric earlier, like when I used to pick up some of my office wear from Shilparamam. So I used to wear dresses which were like export rejects and this exact fabric, and I think they would cost also like 300 to 400, and because now Amazon has sale, the pricing is really good. I think this was about 400 or 450 if I'm not wrong. I think there's a different price for each size, which I don't understand, but anyway, so you can totally get this. It's so affordable, and I think they have this similar ruffle pattern and some floral prints as well. And this is from a brand called Oomph, and they have a lot of sizes. I think they have up to like 6XL. So I think I got 3XL, and it's a little loose. I could have gone with 2XL. I wasn't really sure looking at the measurements. So yeah, check the measurements and get it accordingly. I think the measurements are right. Next up, I have this really cute night dress, and this one is also available in different colors, by the way. And this one says Caffeine Queen, so I got this color, but I think there's 2-3 other colors which I thought were really cute. So it's long t-shirt dress. It's not exactly night to wear as such, but it's a long t-shirt dress, and I think you can wear it like lounge wear. It is a little baggy, and you can also like go sizes up if you're looking for something super comfortable because you want to wear it as lounge wear or night wear. Soft fabric t-shirt material, quite affordable. So I was looking for a lot of things which were under 500. Some of them are under 500, some of them are a little above that, but mostly I tried to keep it very budget friendly. So yeah, quite a lot of options which are budget friendly. This is really cute. You can get your hands on this. At the waist and all, it doesn't have a lot of flare. It is a little baggy on the top than at the waist, but yeah, it's still quite flary, and it has pockets, which is really good. yeah, here it has pockets. Yeah, so get yourself this, and I think there's different captions and all that. I thought this was more apt for me. Next up, I have another dress. This again can be worn as a kurta or a dress. Very beautiful. I think, what is this called? Block print. Very cute. One of those Jaipuri print styles, and it has like very flared sleeves. I did not actually calculate or imagine how big the sleeves are going to be when I saw the pictures on Amazon, but they're actually quite flairier than what they look like in the picture. And here at the waist you see a little bit of this design, yeah, button detailing, and very cute. Again, little bit of a flare, a little transparent, so you will need to wear it with leggings, or if you're wearing it as a dress then you'll need a slip for this, but it's very cute. So a little bit Goan style if you are heading out to Goa, and if it's not too chilly then you can like wear some boho neck piece and wear this dress. I think it will look really pretty, and even as a kurta you can wear it with dupatta or just with leggings. I think it will look so pretty. Again, accessorized with some silver jewelry, junk jewelry, and it would look beautiful. I did show some other jhumkas and some accessories in my previous Amazon haul, so do check that out. I'll leave the links in the description box, or basically you can just go down 2-3 videos down and you will find them. So get your hands on this. Again, very soft fabric. I think this one is a little above 600, I think, but again worth the price. Very cute, and you can wear it even for work or everyday use as a kurta or even as a dress, and looks very pretty. So this is a bracelet. It is so cute, you guys. It has shells and it has a starfish. Very cute. I think it would look nice even on the dress that I'm wearing. Just look at this, it looks so cute. You can totally wear it on any of your dresses if you're heading out to the beach, or basically if you are into these shells and beachy stuff. This starfish looks so cute. I've lately been a lot more into shell accessories, so if you add a little bit of chain you can even wear it as a necklace. Very cute. So I really like this one. There's a lot of winter wear like sweaters, jackets and all also, but it's not that chilly in Hyderabad, so I didn't get anything, but I did get some skincare. This is the minimalist salicylic acid cleanser. So yeah, this is what the bottle is like, and this was $2.99 and I think it was on discount after that. So this is quite a big bottle, and I think the price is actually quite decent. So this is very suitable for like pimple prone skin or oily skin, and oily to combination skin as well. I have oily to combination skin. So this one has salicylic acid. It helps prevent breakouts. So it says reduces sebum and prevents breakout, but a lot of times when they say reduce sebum, they tend to make your skin dry, but this is like very gentle. It doesn't dry out your skin. Even though it's winter, this one was very suitable. Because it's winter, actually I wanted to get a cleanser because I felt like the one that I was using was drying out my skin. So this one's really good. Get your hands on this. Very affordable, and also very suitable for this climate, and even for like combination skin, oily skin. So after your cleanser you can go with this. This is the Clear Spatial toner, and this one has like a smaller size as well, which is super affordable. So get your hands on this, and after your cleanser you can just dab it on your face with a cotton pad, or even directly if you wanted to hydrate your face. So since I started using this facial toner, my skin has changed a lot, because before that I used to have dry patches, and this one actually maintains the pH balance, and it gives you that required hydration, or it makes sure that your skin doesn't get too oily. So it balances out everything. So get your hands on this for sure. This is really good. One skincare product that has been amazing, and this has been great since the time I've started using this. Absolutely love this. Like, I carry it everywhere. And next we have the moisturizer. So I got the Caffeine moisturizer. I have used their other products like body care products. They have this body polishing kit which has an oil and a scrub, and I think moisturizer or butter. Even that one is really good, so you can definitely try out that as well. And the oil is actually really good for polishing. And this one is their face moisturizer, and this actually is very lightweight and very suitable for winter. So it's like gel-like texture and like super lightweight. Like I don't have anything on my face right now, I just have a lipstick, so it just gets absorbed easily. And then on top of this, you can apply your sunscreen, or basically if you're going with makeup, then makeup. Yeah, if you're looking for a lightweight moisturizer, then this is something that you can try. I really like this one, and it gives a little bit of that coffee fragrance, which I absolutely love. And then I got the Caffeine's body shower. This is the packaging. So anyway, through the packaging also I could smell the coffee fragrance. It is amazing. So it looks exactly like your cappuccino cup if you go to Starbucks and get one. So this is the espresso variant, and I think they have mocha and something else. It smells so good, you guys, and it has little bit of that tiny beads, so it's good even for scrubbing. And again, great for winter because especially, and it's very gentle. The scrub is not very harsh on your skin. A very good shower gel, so I use it in between showers. I use other ones because you always don't want to use the coffee ones, right? I like to wake up sometimes with minty and fresh ones. I sometimes like to use vanilla based ones, so I go with this once in a while. So I go take this in between showers, especially because it has a scrub like texture. And then of course I got a body moisturizer. So I usually use the Vaseline body lotion. Now I got the parachute one, and this one smells so good, and it's very nourishing. Like very lightweight, but really good for this winter. It's really nice. I have been using this non-stop, and it's really good for your feet. My feet get a little cracked, obviously, in the winter. I really like this, and also to avoid that cracking, I even got fluffy footwear from Amazon. So I've been eyeing a couple of things, and I finally like the one on Amazon. They're these pink furry ones, and they have a little bit of a crown on it. I thought they were really cute, and these are even more fluffier and furrier than the usual ones which I pick up in local stores or like even in the mall. So I really like this one, and they're super comfortable and early in the morning when you step out of your bed, so it's really cold, right? And also when you're walking around in the house, it makes sure that you don't get dust and everything and crack your feet and all that. So I really like having these fuzzy slippers at home. And lastly, I got these bra extenders. Again, they're like a set of two, and they're quite affordable actually, and basically you can add these to your lingerie as bra extenders. So you get 3 colors. So you can just add this at the back in case you're looking for something like this. I think it's quite a nice hack. So that was my last product for today, you guys. I hope this haul was useful, and I thought all of these products also which I got are going to be useful recommendations for the winter. And about the dresses, I like each and every one of them. So all of the links are in the description box. Check them out, and do subscribe to my channel if you're watching my video for the first time. And if you're not subscribed yet, do subscribe because I have a lot of fun hauls coming up, vlogs and lookbooks. And do find me on Instagram for quick shopping tips and mini hauls and reviews and fashion styling reels and all that. So do find me there as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.